Hello, this is Private Secure Data with our first how-to video for PSD MyHoard, the app for organizing your food supplies. Today, I want to show you the first basics of creating containers and putting the first items in them. What you can see here is the main screen, which comes up if you start the app. On the top, you can see the icons for managing the templates for your items and for calculating the reach of your food hoard. But let's first start with the basics. In MyHoard, you can have as many containers stacked in each other as you like. This works very similar to the way directories can be stacked in one another on your PC. Such a container can either contain other containers or items, but not both at the same time. As you can see here with the container named box1, and it's both subcontainers. On the top level, you can only add containers and no items. So let's start by adding our first container. To do so, tap the fab. That's the green button with the plus symbol. As you can see, the new activity for creating a container opens. We just give the container a name. I call it box2. As you can see now, a new container with the name box2 was created. Now let's open that container by tapping on it. As you can see, the path in the upper part now says /box2. You can switch to the root container by clicking on the slash. And now go back to box2 by either using the path at the top or by clicking on the container name in the list. Okay, now we are in box2. Now let's add something to this container. To do that, I click on the fab icon once more. Now you can choose if you want to add a new container within box2 or if you want to put items in box2. I choose to put new items in our container by clicking on the lower symbol. Now a list of all predefined item types opens. Choose the one you want to use. If you want, you can use the filter text box at the top to filter the list. So I'll choose apple puree. Now I can define how big my apple puree units are, how many I currently have, and how many I should have in stock. So I am choosing bins of 1 kilogram each. I have currently 3 of them. And usually, if my stock is full, I should have 5 of them. Now let's save this. As you can see, I have added some apple puree to my first container. By clicking on back, I leave the container. So, in this video, you should have learned the basics of managing containers and navigating them. And you've also put your first item in one of the containers. If you haven't given MyHoard a try yet, please go to the Play Store and do so. You can test the free version as long as you want. Please upgrade to the full version if you like what you see. Thank you for watching.